G'day everybody, this is a review of Revell's 1/24 scale Land Rover Series 3 long wheelbase. And here's a size comparison with my wristwatch. The main body of the vehicle is moulded in good quality grey plastic, the clear parts are excellent and the rubber wheels brilliant. There are 184 parts in this kit set, so that you can make a left-hand drive or a right-hand drive if you wish. All of the parts were easy to remove from the sprue and to work with, but the instructions were where things would go awry. Very little information. You go online, you can have a diesel or V8 petrol engine. And the question marks on these pages were not resolved by any written information in the kit, so a lot of research had to be done. Well, building the kit was the most fun, so now enjoy some music and just see the images following.